I just had a fantastic breakfast, veggie breakfast, very nice I might add, and interesting company too, a smattering of Swedes and Danish backpackers to talk to, and they were quite nice to have a chat to, so it's very good. And I think they basically have reinforced the fact that I did pay too much for my my taxi. There is an official taxi rank somewhere there, but I can't find it at the airport. Anyway, this is the room that I'm in, and which seems to be a room that nearly everybody stayed in before they moved to another room. It's only a small one, but it suits me fine. The bed's quite comfortable. Had no issues there at all. There's an aircon up there. The Balinese vaulted ceilings were very nice. A picture of a Balinese girl, presumably. And you've got those sort of rounded shaped entranceways there looking out into the patio. And then you've got a set of drawers also made out of really nice wood there, plus a table, big table, so furniture's quite good. Now we go into the bathroom. It's a little on the dark side, so I have to actually put the lights on. Even during the day it's not illuminated, but that doesn't matter as long as you've got electrical lighting to augment it. Yeah, all the mod cons. They supplied the bath gel and shampoo and also a toothbrush, so that was all good. The water pressure there is pretty ordinary in the actual tap, and I use mineral water that's supplied here to wash my teeth, to clean my teeth, to avoid drinking water, which you shouldn't really have in most of the countries outside the first world. But yeah, very, very pleasant. No complaints at this stage. Not a big place, but very comfortable. That's a good smile. That's good. You're a professional. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you think there's anything there of use to you, or entertainment or whatever. And either do that or give me a thumbs up, or if you're feeling really energetic, do both. That'd be great. But please don't ignore me. That's the worst thing you can do on YouTube, is be ignored.